Yang 12,000 mo, gawin nating modern house and lot here at Montera Verde, Cavite. Napakamura kaya mabenta, one bus ride lang going to Pite, pag-ibig at in-house financing, at higit sa lahat, no hidden charges, flood-free at fault line-free. Hi! It's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido, at hindi na ako magtataka kung bakit marami tayong client na pinipili si Montera Verde here in Tansa, Cavite. Isa to sa pinakamurang unit namin na 3 to 5 minutes walk lang to highway. At good news kasi lahat ng units na available natin ngayon ay malapit na sa entrance gate. So kung yan ang target mo, this is the perfect time para sa iyo. Pag-ibig financing to, pero napaka-exclusive ng setup ng community natin at ifa-flash ko yan for your reference. Our unit is a townhouse na may lot area na 48 square meters at floor area na 55 square meters. Semi-complete finish ang turnover. May provision ka for a carport, balcony at service area na napakalaki rin. 7,500 lang ang reservation ha. 12,000 sa down payment, 12,000 sa monthly amortization. Sulit nga to, kaya wag ka na magpaubos ng unit. Tiles at room partition na nga lang iisipin mo dahil Meralco and water and other fees kasama na sa package. On pre-selling pa tayo pero ang batch 1 ngayon ay ginagawa na. If you like this video, follow us for more house tours like this. At tara, tripping na tayo. Link in bio or caller message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam!